this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play in first person in EAFC 24 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, in EAFC 24 and even 25, there are plenty of different camera modes. You can have it spectate from above, you can place it over to the side, see it from a bird's eye view like I've mentioned, and much more. But what about first person? Is there any way to play as if you were the player controlling the ball? Well, the reason why there is a lot of confusion regarding this is that in one of the official trailers or showcase of the game, they introduced this scene. And a lot of community ambassadors and a lot of content creators actually thought that this was a play as a player cam. And because of this, a lot of misinformation was spread, because when the game officially released and people took a look through all of the cameras, so single player, multiplayer, locked player, clubs, be a keeper, and so on, they noticed that there is no first person camera. And indeed, that is the case. As it stands today, there is no official first person camera mode in EAFC 25, or 24 rather. This was simply something that they showcased in the trailer to create hype for the game, and it wasn't showcasing a mode that they were going to add or anything similar. People mistook it for an official feature that would be coming in EAFC 24 because a lot of misinformation was spread by content creators who saw this scene and assumed that it was going to be first person. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that just because the trailer featured this scene, a lot of people assumed that there was going to be a first person mode in EAFC 24, but after the game released officially and even after all these years, people realized that that was not the case. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.